Hi everyone, today I will show you how to draw double line in AutoCAD 2025. Let's start. For creating a double line, we have to type here MLINE, and before plotting the line, we have to change the scale. The scale means the width between two lines. If you type S and the M-line scale is 20. So distance between two lines is 20. If you want to make it 50, type 50 and specify first point on the screen here. And I will make this line 500. We will verify. And this line is 50 mm width. If I click here, right now the justification is on the 0. If you want to make it on the top or bottom, can do that. Type here ML. Now type J for justification, and I will type T here for top, and I will draw a 500 mm line again. Now you can see that the justification is start from the top. Here is on the center. Now I want a center line in between. For that, we have to type here ML style. And here we have to create a new, give the name. I will give the name center line. Click continue. Right now it's showing two lines here. Now click add. Third line is showing here. And I will change the color of this line to cyan. Now I want a center line. Click on line type. Click on load and select the center line here. Select the line. OK. We will verify again. OK. Now we have to make center line set current. OK. Type here ML, specify point on the screen, and I will give 500 again. Enter. So now the double line is coming with the center point. If we will measure here, this should be 25 and this is 25. This will help to draw the line fast for structural drawing or architectural drawing. Now you can draw in one shot everything. If you want a line with the 4 lines, you can do that. Type again ML style. Now create new, and I will give 4 lines. I will click standard, continue. Now it's showing 2 here. Click add. Now it is 3. Click one more add. And this time you have to make an offset of 1 because 0.5 offset already there. I will make it 1. Now you can see that we have 4 lines. Click on modify, and here you can change the color of every line if you want. You will see the color on the screen here. And similarly, you guys can change the line style also, but I will not change. Click OK. Now this one I have to make set current. OK. Type here ML. Draw a 500 mm line. So now 4 lines coming in one shot. So in this way we can create a multi-line or double line in AutoCAD.